record this.
Okay.
IHOP experience. What?
You mean chocolate factory?
Oh, the chocolate.
That's what I put for my house.
Strawberry.
No.
What's strawberry and banana?
Yeah, who you taking there?
What's in there? The strawberries and bananas.
I went to a crepe place.
You can get 4 pancakes,
Crepe
Crepe place?
Yeah.
Where?
and then they
Underneath?
put strawberries
Or
and
in between?
bananas on top.
It was above in like the city.
Real bananas and then the strawberry combo.
This is dope.
What's your name?
Melody.
Hi, Melody.
Hi.
Melody, Melody.
You're gonna be on
Double,
YouTube.
double.
No.
4 buttermilk pancakes up with 1 blue. Right, you want blueberry or strawberry
I
banana?
don't even
Get
know what
blueberry.
Might get strawberry and banana.
This is American food. Yeah, American food.
Fat man.
Or you know
What
what?
are you gonna
Do you guys
get?
want to start off with anything to drink and then we can work on the food later?
I want some orange juice.
Orange juice?
Yeah, I'm gonna do the same orange juice.
Alright, cool.
Can I get a mountain dew?
Absolutely. Do you guys want to do waters as well?
Yeah.
I'm ready. Can I get a strawberry and banana pancake? Should we get the pancakes?
I'm looking at pancakes.
Is it? Unless you want that kebab burger.
Were you guys ready or do you still need a few minutes?
I just sat down.
Alright, cool. I'll be right back.
All right.
You want this kebab burger?
Do I look like I want it? Do I look like I'm excited?
Look at a kebab burger. That's disgusting. I bet it tastes really nice, you know. Trust me.
I can't see the good light.
All right.
Supposedly mountains when I was in New York, all these girls kept saying